Helen from Acton John Thompson. First, I'd like to thank Daniela, our facilitator, for this awesome learning experience. You have really enlightened how this course has really opened my eyes to new ways of leadership, communication, and how to support people around me. Also made me aware of myself, because most of the times I wasn't mostly aware of myself, but now I'm aware of what I'm doing and how I'm supposed to do it. I'm also equipped with a toolbox now, a small little toolbox that I can open anytime and use the tools that I acquired here. So I'm thankful and grateful for that. I'm also thanking our HR and our managers for coming. Thank you for all the support, for the great support that you guys are giving us. Also for trusting me, myself, and investing in my development and my growth. I really appreciate it. And a big shout out to my superiors, Sharon and Christine. They are very awesome. They always believe in me. Even though I don't believe in myself, they always believe in me. So they make me to believe in myself even more. So, and they are great leaders. And one day when I grow up, I want to be like them. Thank you.